Okay, good evening, everyone. So today we will have discussion about job interview. So there are some job interview tips. The first is practice. It is important to have a practice of answering interview questions and practice responses to the typical job interview questions and responses, which are common to be asked by most employers. Prepare examples you may use to describe your abilities and skills. Giving evidence of your successes is a good strategy to promote your candidacy. And then the next job interview tips is watch. So spare time to view my job interview tips video so you will be sure to impress a potential employer and leave the right impression. And then get ready. Make sure about your interview clothes. It is neat, tidy, and appropriate for the type of company you are interviewing with. Bring a good and neat portfolio with copies of your resume. Include a pen and paper for note-taking. So, kita sudah membahas 3 job interview tips. Yang tadi pertama adalah preparation atau persiapan. Yang kedua adalah watch. So, you have to make waktu ya, membuat waktu yang sesuai atau on time ya, be on time. So you have to prepare and then watch, itu maksudnya benar-benar aware atau waspada ya, dengan kata lain kita harus betul-betul memperhatikan ya waktu job interview dengan memberi impression atau penampilan yang betul ya. And then get ready, berarti Anda harus mempersiapkan dengan baik clothes ya, pakaian, kemudian juga membawa catatan atau portfolio, CV atau apapun berkas-berkas yang diperlukan. Untuk catatan Anda mempersiapkan juga buku tulis atau ballpoint ya, buku tulis dan ballpoint untuk mencatat apapun yang diperlukan saat interview. And then the next job interview tips, be on time. So be on time for the interview. On time means 5 to 10 minutes early. If necessary, take some time to drive to the office ahead of time so you know exactly where you are going and how long it will take to get there. Jadi kita harus mempersiapkan waktu dalam arti datang lebih awal supaya kita bisa ada kesempatan untuk mempersiapkan diri sebelum masuk ke ruang interview ya. So sebelum wawancara kita harus memperkirakan waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk datang sebelum wawancara atau sebelum sesi wawancara kita harus datang tepat waktu. And then stay calm. So during the job interview try to relax and stay as calm as possible. Take a moment to take a deep breath ya. So you have to take a deep breath ya, and then maintain eye contact with the interviewer. Listen to the whole question before you answer and pay attention. You will be embarrassed. You will be embarrassed if you forget the question and do not understand the question. Jadi apapun yang terjadi ketika interview Anda harus tetap tenang ya dan relax. Jadi harus dijaga ya eye contact-nya with the interviewer. And then you have to listen carefully, betul-betul memperhatikan, mendengarkan semua pertanyaan yang harus dijawab. Dan if you forget the question and do not understand the question, you can ask the interviewer. And then next, show what you know. So try to relate what you know about the company when answering questions, when discussing your career attainment match, yeah, them to what the company is looking for. So when discussing your career attainment, match them to what the company is looking for. Jadi perlu ditunjukkan ya, Anda perlu mencoba menunjukkan apapun yang berkaitan dengan company ya, atau perusahaan yang Anda tuju, kemudian mencoba berdiskusi tentang karir yang sesuai ya di perusahaan tersebut. Kemudian follow up. Always follow up with a letter showing your appreciation, indicating your interest in the position. If you do the interview with multiple people, send each one a thank you note. So, setelah interview atau setelah sesi tanya jawab, mungkin kita bisa memberi follow up ya, dengan memberikan surat menunjukkan apresiasi ya, dan ketertarikan kita pada posisi yang kita inginkan di perusahaan itu, karena di sana juga banyak sekali orang ya, maksudnya karyawan yang lain, so you can memberi thank you note ya, beberapa catatan terima kasih, atau kalau kita biasanya sebagai gratitude ya, rasa bersyukur atau terima kasih bisa mengikuti interview seperti itu. Kemudian other interview tips, you can analyze the job, make and match, research the company, practice interviewing, get your interview clothes ready, listening to the questions, and follow up with thank you letter tadi ya yang sudah saya sebutkan. Okay, next we have answer the following question. Okay, for number 1, why do you have to wear appropriate clothes in a job interview? Ada yang bisa menjawab untuk number 1?
Mau coba, Mem?
Yes, Inaya.
We have to wear appropriate clothes in a job interview because we have to give a good impression and to make sure the company that we are ready for the interview job.
Yeah, that's very good. I mean, very complete answer ya. Kenapa harus? Why do you have to wear appropriate clothes? Okay. How about number 2? Ada yang bisa menjawab atau mungkin Inaya try to answer the second question. Coming to the job interview early has several benefits. What are they? Can you mention? Atau yang lain mencoba menjawab number 2. Why we have to coming to the job interview early, and what are several benefits that you can get if you come to the job interview early? Mungkin bisa menyebutkan 2 atau 3 jawaban ya. Why? I mean what ya? What are the benefits if you come to the job interview early? You can answer in English. Kira-kira poin-poinnya apa benefitnya? Silakan. Mungkin nanti bisa ditambahkan dengan teman-teman yang lain. You can help your friend to answer the second question. Ya, silakan. Siapa yang mau coba menjawab? Yes, langsung dijawab saja number 2 apa? Apa saja ya? What are several benefits that you can get if you come to the job interview early? Apa kira-kira? First,
good impression, ma'am.
yes, Ishakul Karim. The first is
You will be giving the interviewers a good impression about yourself.
Yeah, so you can give good impression to the interviewer that you are on time person mungkin ya. You can come on time. You can come to the interview session on time. Yeah, so good impression that you are disciplined person. And then the second benefit apa kira-kira?
Avoiding a downward spiral, Mom.
Yes, can you repeat?
Avoiding a downward spiral.
Okay, so avoiding downward spiral ya. Oke, and then yang ketiga, karena several itu lebih dari 2 atau 3 ya. Selain avoiding downward spiral, apalagi?
We can adapt to the environment
Yes,
around
siapa?
the interview place.
Yes,
We can
Isuki.
adapt. We can adapt
Hmm,
around the environmental where we interview place.
Okay, can you repeat? We can?
So that we can adapt to the environment around the interview place.
Okay, you can in-depth observe ya the environment of the company. And then apalagi tadi? Ada yang mau jawab lagi? The fourth benefit? Manfaat yang keempat? Yes, Puput?
Express professionalism and respect.
Yes, okay. Express professionalism and respect. If you can come on time, it means that you respect the interviewer ya. Jadi interviewernya tidak menunggu Anda, tapi Anda justru yang memberi tadi ya good impression and respect ya to the interviewer. Okay, that's the answers of number 2. And then number 3, what is the importance of checking the place of the interview? Itu kurang tanda tanya ya. What is the importance of checking the place of the interview? Can you mention one important point if you can check the place of the interview? Apa kira-kira? Ada yang bisa menjawab? Number 3.
Saya, Ma'am.
Yes, Puput?
To confirm the interview location.
Yeah, to make confirmation ya, to confirm the interview place location ya, atau interview location. So you can you can try to find the fastest route ya, rute tercepat ya, untuk to get the place on time ya, be on time. So you can check the place of interview so you cannot miss the session ya. Jadi kalau sudah tahu tempatnya, you can directly go to the room ya. So without go around the bus ya, tanpa bulat-bulat dulu langsung ke tempat yang sudah kita pernah lihat ya. You can check the place before coming to the session ya, interview session. And then number 4, why researching the company is important. So the fourth question is why researching the company is important. Because apa?
Saya mau jawab, Ma'am.
Yes, Zahra.
It will help us to prepare the answer for the interview question and to ask the interviewer some question about our job.
Okay. Yeah, can you repeat in a brief answer?
Researching the company is important because it will help us to prepare the answer to the interview question and ask the interviewer some question about our job.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. So we can try to find, to carry out, to find some, what can we do in the company tentang our position, our, what is the company, misalnya, achievement-nya apa company itu seperti apa, and bagaimana cara kita mendapat posisi di situ seperti itu. And then number 5, why understanding and remembering interview questions is important.
Saya mau coba, Ma'am.
Oke, Altarisa.
To prepare the relevant and the best answer to the question.
Oke, can you repeat? To prepare apa tadi?
To prepare relevant and the best answer to the question.
Yeah, so to prepare relevant and the best answer for the questions. Jadi dengan kita mengingat dan memahami questions, we can we know we can look for the best answer bisa mencari jawaban yang paling baik atau paling cocok match the question. Okay, and then next there are some lists of interviewing questions in English. So general question, biasanya interviewer akan menanyakan can you tell me a little bit about yourself, and then what do you know about our company, and then what interests you about this job, and then what are your strengths, and then what do you consider your weaknesses, and why do you want to work here, and then can you describe your ideal work environment, and how would your peers describe you. Jadi ada beberapa pertanyaan yang harus Anda jawab ketika interview. Yang umum biasanya menanyakan tentang yourself, introduction, self-introduction, and then what is your knowledge about the company, and what is your interest about the job, and your strength and your weaknesses, and why, the reason why you work, the reason why you want to work there. Okay, and then selain general question tadi, we can sometimes we have interviewing question in English in the version, the other version ada versi yang lain mungkin first what is your full name and what is your nickname seperti itu. And then how do you spell your name? Jadi untuk make sure that your name is right, jadi biasanya mereka akan menyuruh Anda untuk men-spell your name. For example, my name is Ida Puji Lestari, and I spell my name IDAPUGILESTARI. Jadi harus lancar jangan sampai terputus-putus. It means that you are ready to spell your name in right, in good spelling And then sometimes we will ask, atau interviewer asks about where are you from, the address, where do you come from, where do you live now, what is your address tadi, and what do you do, your activity what is your activity now, atau what do you do now, and then what is your hobby, atau what are your hobbies, itu karena hobi kadang berpengaruh juga dengan pekerjaan. And then what do you like to do in the leisure time, and what is your educational background. You have to mention what is your educational background. Okay, this is the reference. So you can look at module Business English 2017, Universitas Brawijaya Malang. And that's all. Thank you very much.